When making a coding tutorial with Firebase, it's super important to protect sensitive information. Here's what you absolutely should not share. Firebase project credentials. This is the most critical information to protect. Sharing these keys can give others access to or complete control over your Firebase project, leading to data theft or huge bills. Service account keys. This is a JSON file, service account key. JSON, used for server-side applications, like Node, JS, Python, etc. It grants full admin access to your entire Firebase project. Never show this file's contents or share the file itself. API keys. Your Firebase configuration object, Firebase config, contains an API key. While the web API key is not as secret as a service account key, it's best practice to not expose your real project's key. You should use placeholders in your tutorial. Database URL and secrets. Don't show your unique real-time database URL if you can avoid it, and never share your database secret, an older, but still functional, authentication method. Personal user data. Never show any real user information from your Firebase authentication or database, Firestore, real-time database. This includes user email addresses, passwords, even though they are hashed, user IDs, UIDs, names, phone numbers, or any other personally identifiable information, p. Always use fake, generic data for your examples, like test@example.com or user_name_123. Best practices for your tutorial. To keep your project safe while teaching, follow these simple rules. Use a demo project. Create a separate Firebase project just for your tutorial. You can delete it after you're done recording or writing. Use placeholders. In your code examples, replace your actual credentials with placeholders like your _API_key or your _project_ID. Use environment variables. Teach your viewers to store secret keys in environment variables. .env file, instead of hardcoding them directly into the source code. Make sure to add your .env file to your gitignore file so it's never uploaded to GitHub. By protecting this data, you keep your project secure and teach your audience good security habits from the start.